Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the dinosaur. So let's get begin. First I draw the big eyes of dinosaur. Then I draw his mouth. Now I draw his pointed sharp teeth with big tongue. Now I draw his body.
Yellow.
After that I'm going to draw his head. Now I draw his two big nose. Then I draw big spikes on his head.
Green.
Wow, he look very freckly. Excellent. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make the beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color his face and body, I'm going to use the light green. Very good.
Purple. Blue.
Friends, are you coloring the dinosaur with me?
Orange. Yellow.
I have lots of stuffed toys of dinosaur. Do you have?
Goodbye.
Excellent. Now I take mustard color to color his eyes. Now I'm going to take the two colors to color his smiley mouth. I take light pink and red for his tongue. And for his sharp and pointed teeth, I'm going to take the gray color.
Red.
Now I'm going to color his spikes with rainbow colors. First, I take light blue. Then I take orange. Then dark
Orange.
pink. Olive green. Then I take dark blue. Yellow. Light pink.
Yellow.
Light blue.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up
Brown.
the fox to run. The mouse ran down.
Peach.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
Dark green.
Hickory dickory
Green.
Lastly, I use dark pink.
the fox jumped
Wow, very good. The dinosaur looks so fantastic. So friends, if you like the video, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.